Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I got a game-changing tip that's going to transform the way you clean your windows. Did you know there is a simple trick to achieve crystal clear windows every time? Stick around because I'm about to spill the vinegar secret. Now we all know the pain of trying to clean windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces, only to be left with smudges and frustration. But don't worry, today I'm going to share with you the ultimate solution. Vinegar is the hero of household cleaning. Not only it is affordable and eco-friendly, but it is also incredibly effective at cutting through grease and grime, leaving your glass surfaces gleaming. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of achieving crystal clear windows. First, you will need the right tools and cleaning solution. For this method, all you need is white vinegar, water, a spray bottle, and a microfiber cloth. It is that simple. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in your spray bottle. If you are sensitive to the smell of vinegar, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a pleasant fragrance. Then shake it well to combine the solution. Now, generously spray the vinegar solution onto the window surface. This will help loosen up any dirt and grime, making it easier to wipe away. Next, take the microfiber cloth and start wiping the window in a circular motion. The microfiber material is great for absorbing dirt and preventing smudges. This is the key to achieving that crystal clear finish. And there you have it, a perfectly clean window using vinegar and water. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful in achieving the spotless windows in your home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more cleaning hacks. Until next time, happy cleaning!